So when they entered the house, they had tears. So they didn't have to say wow, they just had tears.
Hello Sadhna.
Hi.
Congratulations on your dream home.
Thank you so much.
So I'll just ask you a few questions and you can let me know how you feel. So what worried you the most when you were planning the interiors for your house?
What worried me the most, I would say, so I have OCD. Okay. When I say OCD, I mean to say not, keeping things in place, but someone who is constantly thinking that what if it doesn't turn out the way I want it to be. So that kind of, stress me out. If the color is going to go right, if I am choosing the right colors, if I am letting my people, there is interior people who I get on board, if I trust them and they trust me, and because, coming from background where I'm a makeup artist. So for me, like the client trusting in me and letting me do their face, it's same thing what an interior will expect from me itself. If you're trusting me and getting me on board, let me do the job. So yeah.
So since you told about trust, what made you trust Lux Casa Interior?
Oh, that's a good question. So when I was looking for interiors, I did go through few people and I got in touch with Lux Casa through a friend of mine, and all he said is, trust them. And when he said that, because I trust that friend of mine, so I was okay. If you're saying this, I'm going to trust these guys. And I'm so glad I trusted Lux Casa.
Oh, that's so nice. It's so kind of you to say that.
I mean it.
So if you had to describe this home in one word, what would that be?
Home is actually a feeling. So I would just say home. I bought a house, but you guys converted this into home. So that's my elaboration of home.
How was the entire process like in terms of selection of the colors, right from the time we shared the mood board? What was your feelings like? Like how did you feel the team worked with you?
It was very easy. I'm not just saying it because, here we're talking one-on-one, but generally what happens, there are a lot of confusions. There is a lot of what if, what now, do's and don'ts. To be very honest, when you guys sent me the first time the color palette, I was satisfied. I knew this is what I was looking for. This is something that I have been wanting. I like something that's very soft to look at, soft to feel, and should look like a cozy home. It shouldn't be like too much happening and you're just confused and you put everything out there. So from day one, I was sure, okay, this is what I want. And I was given that.
Yes.
So,
To the future homeowners who are planning their interiors, what are the suggestions that you would give to them as a client, like when they're looking for an interior company?
The first thing I would say for future clients is when you're looking for an interior designer, first get a clarity of what you want. When you go with a confused mind into a room full of, people or with an interior designer and you're not able to express what you want, they would not be able to understand what you're looking at.
Exactly.
So you would never be able to come on, same path. And I know it's not easy. It's probably easy for me to sit here and say it's always good to go with clarity. But also second thing, if you're not very sure, trust the people you're hiring. Do your homework, find out how their work is, and definitely trust the people you get on board, because that's very important. If you don't trust your people, there's no way you're going to get what you want.
And when people hire interior designers, they look for everything to just be handed over, but it's actually a collaborative process.
They would understand what you're saying. They wouldn't understand by your expression. They could understand by the words. So I think it's two together.
What was your first reaction when you saw the house?
Wow. I swear that was my reaction. More than my reaction, my parents, because this home I made for them, because for me, their happiness was above what I wanted. So when they entered the house, they had tears. So they didn't have to say wow, they just had tears.
That's so nice. I mean, it's the most emotional moment for anyone. Like that, from the time you book a flat, from moving into a home, I think that's what makes us also feel very special. For you guys are integral part of a life. Yes. And I heard it from Sai and Amshika. It felt so easy working with you. It was like, I really hope so. There were a lot of discussions, but we are so glad that we were able to communicate them with you and work together, because at the end, it's you who's going to live here. So
See, communication is a key.
Exactly.
They let me communicate, and I love that both of us came midway. It was never like, okay, I'm telling them I'm the client. No, I'm the service provider. I am the boss. So it was coming away.
Yes. So what is the most favorite part of yours in this house?
Every part in this house holds special place in my heart. But the main part is obviously the mirror to mirror, because the moment you stand in front of the mirror, it looks like the house is double the size, which I always wanted, larger than life. And I love mirrors. So, of course, this mirror and this whole vibe of the mirror area is my favorite plant.
And you're a makeup artist, mirror.
Oh, yes. And I've been a model for like 12 years. Oh, that's great. So, I wake up with mirror, I go to bed in mirror. So, every room has a mirror.